This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we deal with a refrigerator where the light won't go on. Could be that your refrigerator light bulb just needs to be tightened a little bit more. Sometimes also it's the switch that activates the light. This is on a Sub-Zero. We can see that this switch is working sometimes and other times not working, mainly because when the doors open, the piston part's supposed to come down all the way to activate the switch, but it's kind of sticking. So cleaning it will often do the trick. Here's some other refrigerator switches that might be on your model. Basically, there's some type of a piston that moves back and forth. It may be sticking, or the contacts might be getting a little bit dirty. If you get some electrical cleaner at the hardware store or like Home Depot, you can spray it in there and that can get it working again. So on the Sub-Zero, we've got this electric cleaner spray. We're going to spray in on the sides and then push it back and forth, spray in on the other side, push it back and forth, and just working that liquid in there and then pushing it back and forth numerous times helps the piston to free up and move more readily, and also will clean the contacts inside. So this works really good. It evaporates very fast, so it's effective for cleaning. Now I'm pushing the piston all the way in and then squirting in to get more of it on the contacts, and then I'm just making the switch go back and forth. And it seems to be reliable now, where every time I let go, it's closing the circuit and having the light go on. So this only took less than a minute, and now the switch is working properly and you don't have to buy a new switch. Sometimes the switches do break and it's time for a new one, but oftentimes you just have to clean them. Hope this has been helpful to you and fixes your refrigerator, and please subscribe when you get a chance. Thanks for watching.